Hello, class 12. This session is for you. Today we will start determinant. Already I have said that next chapter I will start determinant for you, and determinant is a topic from algebra. Okay. Now, what is the definition of determinant? Before starting this definition, we have to know about the simultaneous equations. What are the equations? Let me write the equations first. Let a1x plus b1y plus C1 equals to 0, make it equation number 1. Next, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0, make it equation number 2. Next, A3x plus B3y plus C3 equal to 0, make it equation number 3. Okay. Now, by cross multiplication method from 1, 2 and 3, we know by cross multiplication method from equation 2 and 3 first. From equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3 by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method solution already you did in class 9. By cross multiplication method we get what we will write x by something, y by something, and 1 by. Okay. Now we have to find the value for x, the denominator of x. What we will write? Just equation 2 and equation 3, a2x and a3x. Just of these two, then what we will get? b2c3 minus b3. So what is the direction? We will follow this direction, this one. Okay, and minus sign will be there. So B2C3 minus B3C2. So right here B2C3 minus B3C2. Similarly, we will write for Y. That means if we switch off these two, then we will get A2C3 minus A3C2. Okay, 1 minute. B2C3 minus B3C2, then we are at C2, then we will start from C2. C2A3 minus C3A2. Yes, C2A3 minus C3A2. Okay, now we are at A2, then A2B3 minus A3B2. This is the rule for cross multiplication method. Therefore, what is the value of x? Just do the cross multiplication. B2C3 minus B3C2 divided by A2B3 minus A3B2. Similarly, y equals to C2A3 minus C3A2 divided by A2B3 minus A3B2. Okay. Now A2B3, where A2B3 minus A3B2 should not be 0. If we get this 0, then it will be undefined. Now putting the values of x and y in equation 1. Now putting the values of x and y in equation 1, we get what we will get. We will get a1 into x. Instead of x, we will put this. So we will write a1 into B2C3 minus B3C2 divided by A2B3 minus A3B2. Okay. Plus B1. Y means, okay, C2A3 minus A3C3A2 divided by A2B3 minus A3B2 plus C1 is equal to 0. Okay, better to write this is a2 b3 minus a3 b2. Next step what we will do, just we will write a1 into the numerator plus b1 into the numerator plus c1 equals to 0. So it's better to write, no place is there to write. Or I can do one thing, let me rub this three equations. Okay, therefore what we will get, a1 to b2 c3 minus b3 c2 plus b1 into c2 a3 minus c3 a2 plus c1 into a2 a1 into b2 c3, only to c1 we will not write, plus c1 into a2 b3 a2 b3 minus a3b2 is equal to 0. This only we will get. Okay, which is this is the expansion of the determinant of third order, and it is denote, actually this is the solution we get. Okay, and which is the expansion of the determinant of the determinant of third order. Third order means when three rows and three columns are there. Third order, which is the expansion of the determinant of third order, which is denoted by the module determinant. Always we write in this way: a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. And this is the not the matrix determinant. We will write in these with the elements should be written in these two perpendiculars. These two perpendicular lines we will write. Okay, the modular sign or perpendicular sign we will write for determinant. Determinant we write this, matrix X we write this, or we can write this. This is the matrix sign, this is the determinant sign. Don't forget. Okay. Now, for the determinant of this, where a1, b1, c1 are the elements, where a1, b1, c1 are the elements of determinant. Okay, so this is the expansion. Already we have got this expansion for the determinant. What is the expansion? This is the expansion. This is the expansion for this determinant of three order. Okay, b2 c3 minus b3 c2, a2 c3 minus a3 c2, c1 into a2 b3 minus a3 b2. Good. Okay, so this is the first definition of the determinant. What is determinant? Okay, similarly, from the equations a1x plus b1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2 equals to 0, make it equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Then we get what? We get a1 x equals to minus b1, therefore x equals to minus b1 by a1. Okay, now putting the value of x in equation 2, what we will get? Therefore a2 into minus b1 by a1 plus b2 equals to 0. That implies what we will get, this is coming minus a2 b1 plus a1 b2 equals to 0. Okay, or we can write a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0. a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0. Okay, or we can write, if we take minus common, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. a1 b2 minus a2 b1, which is the expansion of the determinant of second order. Expansion of the determinant second order. Okay, and which is expressed by a1 b1 a2. Okay, where a1 a2 b1 b2, all these the elements of the determinant. So see the expansion part. See the expansion rule. We are following actually the same this rule. Okay, a1 b2 direction is this, minus a2 b1 this, and the sign will be minus. Okay, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, same direction we are following. Okay, now okay. Another way we can say that the determinant is in expansion, which is associated with a square matrix of order n by n. Thus, if A equals to say Aij of order Aij of order n, n means n by n. Okay, then modulus A or determinant A, that means determinant Aij, that we can any matrix we can write in determinant form also. Remember this, any matrix we can write in the form of determinant also. Okay, so determinant A equals to determinant Aij, so we can write I equals to, already we know I denotes the row and J denotes column. So what we will write, A11, A12, A13, first row, third column. Like this, we can write this as A1n, since it is n by n order. So A1n. Similarly, we can write A21, A22, A23. This is A2n. So we can write A n1, A n2, A n3, and then A n. Okay. So this is the determinant of order n by n. This is the determinant of order n by n. Remember this. Okay. Next part coming with new video.